Hello friends! Welcome to Fun Learn. Today we are going to learn the days of the week. There are 7 days, and each one is special. Let's start. The first day is Monday. After the weekend, we go back to school, see our friends, and learn new things. Monday is a great day to start with energy. The second day is Tuesday. We are awake and ready to keep learning and playing. Tuesday is perfect for growing, discovering, and having fun. The third day is Wednesday. It is the middle of the week. Some people call it the halfway day. It is a good moment to smile and learn. The fourth day is Thursday. We have already learned and done so many things, but there is still more fun to come. Thursday is exciting because the weekend is getting close. The fifth day is Friday. We finish the school week and get ready to rest and enjoy. Fridays are happy days full of celebration. The sixth day is Saturday. There is no school, and we can play, go to the park, visit family, or just relax. Saturday is a wonderful day for fun. The seventh day is Sunday. It is the last day of the week. We can spend time with family, go for a walk, or prepare for a new Monday. Sunday is a very special day. Great job! Now you know the 7 days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Thank you for learning with us today. Don't forget to follow our channel, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. See you next time on Fun Learn. Goodbye, friends.